Buenas noches, boa noite, good evening. I'm Lon Beauvais, sou Lon Beauvais, diretor da Banda Terráquea, the director of Banda Terráquea, and here materiais de reciclagem para fazer instrumentos, make instruments, ok? So, necessitamos coisas dessas, ó. Primeiro, uma dica, tira os celos. Okay, we're going to paint our instruments. Some examples. Mas aros aqui. Okay. So Deus jornal. Okay. Chocalho. Chocalho grande, pedras, ok? Chocalho marrom. Ok. Uma coisa dessa, ok? Ó. Mira, look. Not everything is the same. Escuta. Porém, you can put a hole in this and you wear it around your neck. So you just get a string and then a hole here and a hole here, okay? So then it's around your neck. And you put a hole here. Drill here. Drill here. Get it down here. Okay, so then this one is bigger. This is like bigger sound. Menor, littler one. Pipoca. Popcorn. Okay, so it's your like one guy can be playing. Another guy's going. And then we have somebody going. Okay, so next step, paint. We're going to have a workshop to paint the instruments at our Turtle Festival. So you just get a brush. I'm not a great painter, but I'm sure you have someone. So we get the white paint on here. Paint it, the whole thing white. An example. You can do whatever you want, but so my idea is to have a workshop of painting. After you make the instruments, let's paint them, and let's see what kind of design. And you can paint. The turtles are getting more. Turtles have gotten born. Look, they're everywhere. More turtles. See them? Really? Tartarugas. Tortugas. Rocks. Frijoles. Arroz. Pedras. And okay. So Pura vida. Tchau.